everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm Andrea, and I'm coming on to show you a small box that has some big, beautiful yarn in it from Little Knits. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, I'm so excited. The first item we have is this beautiful Rebound yarn. And these are Hanks. There are 5 of them in there. So I'll slide one out so you can take a closer look. This right here is a beautiful gray color. It has a nice feel to it. There it is. It's Rebound. A nice, beautiful heather gray, I would say. And it is 70% polyester and 30% cotton. And this is recycled, and this is Cascade yarns called Rebound. This is really nice. 100 grams, it's 164 yards each, which is 150 meters. You hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. Do not dry clean. And Cascade Yarns is in Seattle, Washington. They're family owned and been in business since 1987. And the color is color number 10. So I got those for $19.99 for 5 skeins. Next, I have this beautiful yarn. Look at this. Oh, look at the colors. These are very nice. This is Cascade Yarns Eco Plus. Wow. Excited. Wow. I had to get this. Oh, wow. Look at these. Hand wash, you lay flat to dry, and it's called Lana Loft. This is beautiful. This would make a nice sweater. Oh my goodness. Nice and thick. It's made in the USA. It's 100% wool. Look at that. The beautiful rich orange color, and it's 7 ounces. It's 200 grams and approximately 160 yards. So it says 146 meters per skein. Wow, this is beautiful. And it's spun and dyed by Brown Sheep Company in Mitchell, Nebraska. And this is also 100%, it says the label is 100% recyclable. This is nice. I've never tried this before. So I'm happy that I got it because it is just as beautiful as I saw it online. So it looks like I got 2 of these orange ones, or maybe a few more. Let's see what's on my invoice. Y'all see that okay? It says burnt orange, and for a bag of 5 was $32.99, and I got the full bag. Okay, I also got a grape one. I got a Cascade Eco Wool Plus in grape, and that was $14. So let's see if I can have a spot to put this. Oh, wow. This is different. Oh, you all are going to love this. Look at this Eco Plus. This is sweet. It is 250 grams. It's 478 yards. It's 437 meters. Wow, this is made in Peru. And it's a beautiful purple color. I like the purple. It's like a muted purple. Very nice. Oh, wow. 100% Peruvian Highland wool. This is fantastic. I love it. It's not soft. You know, it has an okay feel to it. But I just love the packaging. I love how many yards you get in here. And you can work up a very nice project with this yarn. So I'll go ahead and show you right here what it looks like. So it's Cascade Yarns Eco Plus is what you're going to look for. And this is the grape. So this is all she wrote. Like I said, I got 5 of these. So you can see a lot of yardage here to make something with this Lana Loft, which is the burnt orange. So if you're interested, this is $32.99. Like I said, it was for shipping, $10. It didn't take long to get to me. And it says, Andrea, enjoy your new yarn. So thank you, Little Knits. I appreciate it. Thank you all for tuning in. This was a short and sweet video. Check out my social media and check out my community tab and also my featured channels. I try to pick certain channels and put them on there every week. So go ahead and subscribe if you like those channels and you like their content. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you all for tuning in, and y'all have a glorious and a blessed, wonderful rest of the week.